Good morning, class 4th. In the previous classes, we have studied about sculptor, journalist, disc jockey, defense forces. So, in this class, we are going to read about fashion designer. So, students, open page number 18 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Here I am going to read: fashion designers design clothes and accessories like shoes, bags, belts and jewelry according to the latest and most popular style. So here students, you have to underline accessories, which means a thing which can be added to something else to make it more useful. Is that clear? So we have seen that fashion designers design clothes, accessories, bags, belts and jewelry, keeping in mind the new and popular style. They also create new style. They are trained in special fashion designing institutes. So they also create new styles. Fashion designers learn their skills from special fashion designing institutes. Now students, turn this page. Now we are on page number 19. Gender and work. Earlier, most jobs were done by men. They inherited, underline this word, inherited So inherited means to receive the family business. Now we can read: earlier most jobs were done by men. They inherited their skills from their fathers and grandfathers. Women were using trained to take care of household chores. Some people still believe that girls and boys must follow separate professions. So here you have to underline household chores means household activities. It has been observed for a long time that only men do many jobs. This is why they inherit it from their father and grandfather. Women are taught just to do household activities. Some old-minded people think that there should be separate work for men and women. Now, most of the jobs that were considered to be fit only for men are being done by women now. There are women doctors, engineers, pilots and even soldiers. So, we have seen that in today's world, women can do all the work that men do in today's age. Women are doctors, engineers, pilots, and even soldiers. Is that clear, students? Now students, you can see in the front of this page, Riya wants to know. Find out and write one example of each of the following. So number 1, Popular Fashion Designing Institute should be Dream Zone. DREAM Dream ZONE Zone. Dream Zone which is in Lucknow. Now the second, famous Indian journalist. So famous Indian journalist should be Ravish, RABISH, Ravish Kumar, KUMAR, Ravish Kumar. Ravish Kumar is the senior editor at NDTV News. Now the next, famous disc jockey. So famous disc jockey of India is Ankit Kochar. Ankit Kochar. ANKIT Ankit Kochar. KOCHER. Just a minute. KOCHER. Kochar. So Ankit Kochar has been ranked number 1 DJ in India for electronic music. So class, that's all for today. In the next class, we will see Riya wants to know. Next, Riya wants to know. So class, thank you.